I need to play back footage of this train in slow-mo. John, no! Simon. Done.
Warrior intermodal. Don't see those very often.
Cars or hags or habs. Flatter. Wow, that car weighs 15. Air hose something. Dual rows. I think is what that said. Man, look at how heavy those stack cars are. I bet them fully loaded weigh 40 tons, which is 80,000 pounds. If I remember right. Cheerio. Salsa lumber! Oh, man, that's so loud! That hurt my ears! Ozzy!
Kind of revved up. I think he's going faster, yeah.
Das meme. Loss.
Doing 45 now.
Quiet company. Rizzle something. Lone Crows. L-O-K. Low. Weld my something. Noi. Man, look how fast he's moving. I bet he's gonna move at the speed of light. Air
Not quite that fast.
Claws. MFB. Yuck. I'm excited to play the footage. I'm excited to play back the footage of this stack train in slow-mo and 4x slow-mo on the Osmos FE. 4x slow-mo.
4x slow-mo.
Yeah, I love it.
Top speed of 47 miles an hour.
189 cars and 6 engines.